So hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gursimran and you're watching Simmi Station, and today's video is about the whole process that you need to do in order to come to Canada. So let's get into it. So the first step is to do your IELTS. IELTS is basically an exam that tells us that you have the knowledge of English language in order to study in a country whose main language is English. So IELTS is an exam that you have to do, and it costs around 14,000 to do it. And if you take classes in Delhi, it's usually around 10-15,000. But in other places, I don't know, I'm not sure. So let's take up 20,000 for that. So there goes your classes and your IELTS fees. Then next step is to have an agent. So basically in Delhi, where I came from, if you have the agent and IELTS classes from the same person, it's basically covered under the same amount. So it's 20,000 for both the things. So I don't know about other places, but I hope it is the same. So considering that, now the next step is to get your college. And for that, you need to decide where you want to go, and you need to decide which place is better for you, which city do you like more, or which college do you like more. And then you have to start sending them your admission requests. So once you send your admission request, you get a contract which is stating that you are accepting that you want to be the student. That means you have got the admission, you're just one step away from the admission, and you have to sign the contract and send it back to the college. Once you do that, you get your LOA, which is letter of admission. After that, you have to pay up your GIC account. If you want to know more about GIC, I have another video about it, so you can check it out. And then you have to pay your fees. So in Montreal, the basic colleges, which are like average price of a college for AEC course, if you want to know what an AEC course is, I have a video about it, so you can go and check it out. So for the AEC course is about around 10,000 for 1 year. Then you have to pay those. 10,000 is approximately 5 lakhs something. So let's say it's 5,50,000. And then the GIC is also 10,200, which is also around the same amount. So then you have to pay the fees, pay your GIC, and then wait for your documents from the college to say that they have received the fees, and your bank account statement from the bank that you're choosing, that they have opened your GIC account. And then you have to file your visa. The visa fees is as follows. And then you can finally wait for your visa, do the biometrics and the small things that are left, buy your ticket. Let's say approximately around 1 lakh for the ticket. And then buy the stuff that you want to bring to Canada. And yeah, so that is all the things that you have to do for the process to end. Now, specifically, if you're coming to Quebec and you decide to come to Montreal or any other place in Quebec, you will have to have another document called the CAQ. So basically, the CAQ is a document that you have to get before filing for your admission in the college, which is saying that you are a correct candidate. It's like an acceptance letter from the government. If you want to know more about CAQ, I do have a video about it. So go check it out, and then you do the admission, GIC, da-da-da-da. So basically, this is the process that you need to do to study in Canada, and I hope you got your information from this video. If you like this video, please don't be shy and comment and like the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram if you want to. Well, you should. So you can send me messages on Instagram DMs and I can answer them, or you can leave it in the comments and I can answer them. So have a good day.